Tablero 13 was a dream, turned into life again. I thought I'd make just pieces, but we made more, my friend. We built a spark unbreakable, a bond that feels so right. An unstoppable creation, glowing through the night. Through copper light and gentle steam, we keep on shining, never looking back. Sol el nord, camin segur, camin segur, camin segur. Pandur e cordur, e cordur, e cordur, aiga corda. Paz mesurar, paz mesurar, paz mesurar. Cap compagna abandonar, cap compagna abandonar.
Dust on my hands, sweat on my face, dreams carved out in the meadow's grace. Steam and rhythm, sparks and time, lonely work, but it feels just fine. My beasts are dancing, wild and free, drumming claws in harmony. They shake the floor, they steal the calm, noise and laughter, my favorite charm. Hey, this workshop's got a beat, stomping boots and tapping feet. Used to hum a tune so shy, now the walls just swing and cry.
We're both a little right, we both have been wrong. You walk a steady line, I'm fire, I'm a storm. Two roads, same sky, we don't collide. I can bury my heart, I drink to the goodbye. Take your road and keep it, my friend, my ally. Tablero 13 was a dream, turned into life again. I thought I'd make just pieces, but we made more, my friend. We built a spark unbreakable, a bond that feels so right. An unstoppable creation, glowing through the night. Through copper light and gentle steam, we keep on shining, never looking back.
I found something. It's from my grandmother, from Anzela. These aren't memories, they're instructions for making chess pieces, but not like the ones you sell. They're simpler, designed for someone without tools or good materials. There are notes in the margins. She talks about children, about teaching them with whatever was at hand. It explains how to simplify each shape without losing its meaning in the game. It was for a rural teacher. I suppose, for someone who needed to build an entire world out of almost nothing. I think you would like this.
Of course it was for a rural teacher. That's what matters. She wasn't thinking about the pieces. She was thinking about what those pieces would do. That someone learns to think, to wait, to choose. That's worth more than any perfect set.